Who shall separate us from the love of Christ? Shall tribulation or distress or persecution or famine or nakedness or danger or sword? The answer is none. None. None can separate us from God's love ni Christ because Christ is interceding for us at the right hand of the Father. Hebrews 7:25, consequently, He is able to save to the uttermost those who draw near to God through Him, since He always lives to make intercession for them. In other words, you are saved to the uttermost, meaning you are saved completely. Even if we fall in sin, usay mo sipyat na, but our salvation is complete. It is because Christ lives at the right hand of the Father to make intercession for us. So tanawa, na by chance nga mawala ka, dili lagi. Kaya nga naman, ang atong salvation, we're kept by the power of the Father and by the power of the Son.